Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to make Google account in your PC. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at this page, at the top right, you can see your profile icon. Simply click over there. There you can see the option of add account. You can click over there. Now this kind of interface will appear. There you can see the option of create account. Simply click over there. Now three options will be provided, either for your personal use, for your child, or for your work or business. Now you need to choose according to your preference. Here I am choosing for my personal use. Now here you need to enter your first name and your last name. After that you need to simply click on next. Now here you need to fill down your basic information like your birthday and your gender. After you are done filling this basic information, simply click on next. After that, Gmail will be providing you options of Gmail addresses. You can choose either of them or you can create your own Gmail address. For this video, I am going for the one that Gmail has created. After that, simply click on next. Now here you need to create yourself a new password. After you are done creating yourself a password, simply click on next. Now here you need to enter your recovery email address so that they can contact you if there's unusual activity in your account or if you get locked out. You can either skip this step, but for this video I have entered the recovery email address. Now after that, simply click on next. Now this kind of interface will appear. All you need to do is click on next. Now the privacy and terms will be provided. All you need to do is read this and simply click on I agree. And now you can see that your Gmail account has been created in your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.